Right, hi folks. So the TATE Modern's just behind me. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not. I'll just kind of point in that direction. It's just behind me there. So I've come to this little sort of seating area. I'll just show you where we are. It's actually quite nice when the leaves are on the trees. Now me and Joanne did a little interview with me here. Joanne interviewing me with the camera. That was about a year ago, 2 years ago, I think. I can't quite remember. Anyway, we sat on, well, in fact, I think it was this very bench, actually. I think we sat on this very bench, and she interviewed me, just asking me sort of like general questions about my life and da-da-da. Anyway, that's up on YouTube, but it was, like I say, it's about 2 years ago or something, I think. But anyway, like I say, when we did it, it was, well, I'm not sure what time of year it was, but it was definitely not summertime because there was definitely no leaves on the trees. And it actually looks quite nice with all the leaves on the trees because it's got this shaded sort of green look to it, if you like. You know what I mean? The light looks tinged with green, I guess, because of the leaves, I suppose, which makes it look quite pleasant and cozy in a way. It's quite nice. Anyway, so I'm just having to sit down for 5 minutes because my feet are now hurting me, because I've also been dancing as well. I've been dancing everywhere, dancing all the way along, all the way around London as I'm doing my thing. Anyway, so yeah, oh, here we go with noisy helicopters again. I don't know why we get a lot of helicopters fly over this particular part of London. You seem to get it fairly regular. I'm not sure why exactly. But it does happen on a fairly regular occurrence. This is the second one that's gone over now. Well, I say the second one, it might be one that's just going circling round for all I know. Anyway, I'm getting rather parched now as well, by the way, because I had a coffee earlier on, and I've been smoking my fags, and now my throat is really, really dry. It's like my mouth tastes like cardboard or something. Anyway, so yeah, I was about to say something and now it's gone completely out of my head because the helicopter distracted me. Yeah, it's about not being able to get out and about at the moment to any really interesting places at the minute. Although that's not to say that the TATE Modern's not interesting, and it will be tomorrow, I'm sure. I mean, it's going to be pretty busy. I'm not brilliant with crowds, to be quite honest. I mean, I can tolerate it up to a point, but then, you know, like I say, you know, it can get a bit too much sometimes. So, although I'm looking forward to the opening tomorrow, I'm also not necessarily looking forward to the massive crowds that's going to be there, presumably at some point. I mean, personally, I'd rather get there really, really early, but Joanne's not coming to mine until 12, so probably chances are we won't get here until about 1:30, something like that, maybe, give or take, depending on if Joanne wants to have a coffee before we go, and anyway. So, yeah, tomorrow, like I said, I'm really, really looking forward to tomorrow, really am, and hopefully, all being well, I'll be able to film in there. I've filmed in the TATE Modern, the bit that's there at the moment, so hopefully it'll allow me to film in there, I hope. But we'll see what happens. There might be notices and things saying like, no filming, you can't record, blah blah blah. So, hi-ho, we'll just have to wait and see, I guess. Right, I really need to find myself a little corner shop somewhere and get a can of Coke or something, because I'm really, really thirsty right now. So, yeah. Okay, I am going to try and get to some more interesting places soon as I can, as soon as funds allow. So I'll leave it there for now, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.